If you can, please download or print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Let's go through a few definitions. So first one is a walk. A walk is when you travel through any edges or vertices. Edges and vertices can be repeated on a walk. For instance, let's have a look at this network here. So I can start from E to F, and then I can go from F to C, and I can turn back from C, go back to F, and then I go to A, and I stop there. So this is a walk. Why is a walk? Because I repeat this edge twice, and then I visit vertex F twice. So this is a walk. Another example, I start from A to B, and then from B I go to C, and then from C I can go to F, and then from F I go back C, so from C and travel to D. So this is another walk, because again I visit vertex F twice, vertex C twice, and the edge twice as well. So it's a walk. A trail. A trail is a walk, but no edges repeated. However, you can visit vertices more than once. So for instance, I can go from F to C, and then from C I can go to B, B I can go to A, and from A I can go to F, and I can go from F, I go to E. So this is a trail because I don't have any repeating edges, but I visit vertex F twice. So this is a trail. Another example, I can start from F to C, and then from C I can go to D, and then from D I can travel to E, and then from E I go back to F again. This means that I visit vertex F twice, and from F I go to A. Then I stop there. So this is a trail because no edges is repeated except I repeat the vertex F. A path is a walk without repeated any edges or vertices except when you start and finish at the same place. So for example, I can start from D, okay, I go to C, and then I go to B, and I go to A, and then I go to F. This is a path because I didn't repeat any edges or any vertices. Look, another example. So I start from F, I travel along to C, and then from C I travel along to D, and then from D I go to E, and then from E I travel to A, and then from A I travel to B, and I stop there. So this is another path. So noting that I didn't repeat any edges or any vertices. So this is a path. Next one, a cycle. So a cycle is a path, but you have to start and finish at the same place. So for example, I can start from F, so I can go to E, and then I travel to D and go to C and then go back. So I finished. So this is a cycle. Noting that I didn't repeat any edges and any vertices at all. Another example. So I start from B, so I travel to C, and then from C I go to D, and from D I go to E, and then from E I go to A, and then I need to go back to B because with a cycle you have to start and finish at the same place. So this is a cycle. Last definition. So a circuit. Now a circuit is a trail starting and finish on the same vertex. Now remember what a trail is? A trail is a walk without repeating any edges except vertices. For example, let us start at E. Okay, I travel to F, and then I'm going to A, and then from A I go to B, from B I go to F, and from F I go to C, and from C I travel to D, and from D I go back to E. So I start at E and I finish at E. And I did not repeat any edges except vertex F. So I repeated. So this is a circuit. Another example, I start from B, I travel to C. Then to C, I travel to F. From F, I travel to E. And then from E, I travel to I. So from I travel to F. And then from F, I'm going back to where I start, which is B. This is a circuit because I did not repeat any edges except vertex F. And then I start at B and I end at B. Now, let's recap all the things that you learned so far. Okay, I know there's a lot of information for you to remember. So let's recap, see how much you remember. So can you please stop the video and try this one yourself? So first one, a walk. So can you repeat vertices? Yes, you can. Okay. And then can you repeat edges? Yes, you can. A walk, you can repeat vertices and edges as well. So yes for both. A trail is a walk without any edges repeated. So therefore, vertices you can repeat. Okay. And then edges you can't. So no. Next one, a path. A path is a trail without any vertices repeated. So therefore, no repeating for vertices. So as edges. So no. Circuit is a trail, but you have to start and finish at the same vertex or same place if you like. So this means that it's a trail. So you can repeat it vertices. Yes. And you can't repeat edges. So no. So please keep that in mind. Circuit is a trail, but you must start and finish at the same place. Cycle. Now cycle is a path, but you have to start and finish at the same vertex or same place if you like. So we know that a path, you cannot repeat vertices. So which is no. And then a path you cannot repeat edges as well. So it's no. There you go. I hope you get all correct. So please, this is very important. Okay, this is a summary of all the things that you learned so far. So please take note on this. Now, let's go through a few examples. So first one, state whether the route is a path, a cycle, a walk, a circuit, or a trail. So, for example, I'm going to start here. Okay, and I travel along Phillip Street. And then I turn right. And then I turn left, go all the way along George Street. And then I turn right. Then I change my mind. I turn back. And I turn right. And I stop here. So can you please tell me, okay, it is a path, a cycle, a walk, a circuit, or a trail? You're right. It is a walk because I repeat these edges twice. Next one. Let me start from this place here. So I travel all the way down. And then what happened is I turn left and I travel along. And I turn left and go up, and then I turn right, follow this path, and then I turn right, go down, and then I turn left, and then I turn left again, and all the ways, and then I turn left here, and turn right, and I travel along here, and I follow this path. Then I end at the same place where I start. So I end here. So please tell me which one it is. So you can see it is a path, but I start and end at the same place. So it is a cycle. Next one. Let me start here. So this place here. So I travel along here. And then what happened? I changed my mind. I gone back this way. And then I gone turn here. And I travel along here. And then I turn here. And I turn right. And then go this long along the road here. Travel along. And then I turn left. And I turn left again. And I go back where I start. So, can you tell me what it is? So please note that I visit this twice. So it's have to be a circuit. Because a circuit is a trail, except you gotta start and finish at the same place. So I end here. So I start and end at the same place. So it is a circuit. Alright, next one here. So you just give me the answer. Okay? So I start from B to C, and C to D, and D to E, and E going back to D, and I travel from D to F, and all the way to A, and then I finished. So what is it? It's a walk, because I visit these edges twice. So it's a walk. Next one. So I start at this vertex and I travel along, and I turn, and I travel, and I turn, and I stop there. So what is it? That's right, it's a path, because I did not visit any vertices or edges twice. So this is a path. Next one. So with this one, okay, I start from a vertex, I travel along and follow the path. So I turn and I keep on travel along and I end at where I start. So what is it? It is a cycle, because a cycle is a path which did not repeat any edges or vertices. And then I start and I finish at the same place. So it is a cycle. Second last one. So I start from a vertex and then I keep traveling and I turn again and then I end there. So what is it? It is a path, because I start at a place and I end at different place, and I did not repeat any vertices or edges. So it is a path. Last one. So let's start from the vertex there, and I travel along and I keep traveling, and you can see the path. So I start and I end at the same place. So what is it? So it can be a circuit or a cycle. However, because I visit this vertex twice, so it cannot be a cycle. So it have to be a circuit. Thank you so much for watching.